Hey everybody, and welcome back to Free Friday. Jason Ricci's YouTube channel. Subscribe today for thousands of free harmonica videos. Check it out. I'm in Mexico with the band. There's Bill. There's Benny. Right there. What's happening? And today I'm going to show you guys this thing about triple hole tongue blocking. So you might not have heard of this before. I know that I had been playing a while before I heard about it. And recently, I got the idea to do this video because recently I put up a little clip of me soloing. I'll play it right now.
Well, you wake up and let the world that a good team or something will get wrong here. Ain't that right, Jason?
We're back. Somebody wrote in the comment section, how come that sounds like a chromatic? Or I noticed that William Clark would do that too, and it sounded like a chromatic. So normally when we play octaves on a diatonic harmonica, first of all, it's tongue blocked. So we're playing holes that are separated by two holes. So we put our mouth over 4 holes, and I have other videos on this linked below. And then we put our tongue on the 2 holes in the middle. So I get both or. And you can move that around. It's also handy to tell if your harmonica is in tune or not. And now sometimes they're not always perfect. Like for example, we call them splits. On the 2-5 split, I'm putting my tongue over 3 and 4 and getting, which is makes a nice 7th chord in second position. And that's with the tongue on and off. And then in some cases you can't get it at all. Like the 3-6 split gives you a major 3rd and a 2. In second position. Of course, I could try to bend the 3 down out of the left side of my mouth and get a perfect octave. So I'm bending one hole out of the left side of my mouth and then leaving the other hole on the top side of my mouth the same. It's not really practical to use other than as effect. Something like that. And even then, I don't think it's all that musical. Maybe in better hands. All right, moving up though. When we go past that one, here's where we get into the bread and butter of today's discussion. What I want to try to do is play the 3 draw and the 7 draw together. So that's 3 holes apart, which is why we call it a triple hole tongue block or triple hole split. So the first note and the last note is what I'm after. But I'm going to skip all that other jazz and just play. It's the way you play octaves from 7 draw up to 10 draw. They have to all be triple hole in order to play an octave. Otherwise, if they're double hole, they sound like this. Which I think is mostly sound like fifths to me. How about you guys? Sound like fifths, right? Maybe not. I don't know, whatever they are. All right, so anyway. And this is where we hear it start to sound like what we're used to hearing a chromatic sound like, because we're not used to hearing that top octave in perfect octaves. Right, so that's how you get the triple hole split. You got and look, you're gonna have to put a lot more of the harmonica in your mouth than you think. And then when you go down to the blow splits, you got to go back to the double. So when I go, and then I switch to a blow, I'm going down to a double. So I'm going ba ba. So triple, double, draw, blow, draw, blow, draw. I'm doing all this in third, which also helps to make it sound more like a chromatic. Now, at first, you're really going to struggle with this. You got to let this marinate. This is going to take time. You might, today, you might get one, right? And then tomorrow, you might go back and it might take you a while to get that one again. Maybe you'll get it right away. I know, I'm just saying, for me, it took a long time. And then once I got used to it, it just became another way to play up there. And I can do glissandos and everything. I'll just go back to second position for a second. So you can try like arpeggiating for practice. Try like maybe arpeggiating just regular 6th and 7th chords. Let me try that again. So there you go. So you can try all that different stuff and just remember to be patient. The first one you want is that 3/7. And then once you get it, just leave your mouth in there and try to move up. And you hear that beating sound. That was other people commented on that. They're like, man, I've only heard William Clark do that. William liked it, and I know this because his widow told me that he used to even detune his chromatics so they would beat like that. So that's the sign of the harmonica being a little out of tune. And it kind of sounds good. If it goes too out of tune, it can sound like this, which is a little less tolerable. One of the big problems is getting your finger out of the way. All right, anyway, triple hole tongue blocking. Grandmothers like it, kids like it, dogs like it. People, everybody likes it, It's a good thing to do. It makes the diatonic sound like a chromatic. And more important than that is it makes the diatonic sound like a musical instrument. You can actually play the same octaves that you play down here up here, except draw. And blow too. Remember, double hole on the blow, triple hole on the splits, all on the top end of the harmonica. 7 draw to 10 draw, triple hole splits, do them, get them, put them in your bag. Later.